Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the 58 halfway tree complex and we are showing you the construction that's going on of a new 10th floor building. This is unit 1 at the complex. The complex has 5 units. This one has the most square footage. The entire complex is 300,000 square feet, consists of 5 buildings, and it's on 5 acres of land. Now this building is unit 1 and it's 128,000 square feet. The building, we're going to drive through and show you all the buildings in a little bit. But this building now, this park is basically a tech park. And when this building started construction, it was being built for BPOs. However, the building is now finished. They're just doing the finishing work on the inside. Each tenant is building out their space to their specifications. But no BPO company has rented space in this building. A few other companies have rented, but no BPO. So it's very interesting. So guys, what do you think about the BPO sector in Jamaica? Do you think it's declining? Do you think it's getting bigger? Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now the call center that's here is Alorca, but the largest call center in Jamaica is actually IBX, and they had 6 call centers buildings, but they closed 2 and they only have 4 now. So I'm not sure what is going on with the BPO sector, but let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And the Usain Bolt building on Old Hope Road was actually built for a BPO, and the one on Halfway Tree Road, also the Usain Bolt building on Halfway Tree Road also has a call center in it. Okay, so we're driving inside the complex now. So that building on the left, that's unit 4, and it has over 100,000 square feet. I think it's 112,000 square feet. And the building straight ahead, the new building, that's unit 1, that one is 128,000 square feet. So even though this building is 10 floors and the other one seems to be 5 floors, the other one is almost has as much square footage. Now the reason why that one is unit 1 is because the building that was there was demolished and this structure put up. And that is something that people or developers in Jamaica need to take a good look at. Sometimes they try to build on what's there and it just creates problems. Sometimes you just have to demolish what is there and build something new. Okay, so these are the other buildings in the complex. And that building that we just passed straight ahead behind us is actually a great house that they converted into an office space. Alright, we're heading out onto Halfway Tree Road now. So guys, let us know what you think is going on with the BPO industry, and enjoy the rest of the tour. We're driving on Halfway Tree Road. Okay, this is Halfway Tree Road now, and then we're going to turn on to Oxford Road. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.